Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like Camera. Then you need to scroll down and pick one of your apps, for example Chrome. Now select one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can also just click on one of your apps and instead select See All Chrome permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!